Wow, check out this fella. Perfect headshot with the Sumatra .177 air rifle. Look at it here. Look at perfect headshot. Guys, join me in the Sentry session during the 2024-2025 hunting season. Let's go. Warning, the following is a hunting video that contains the hunting and killing of animals. Scenes in this video may be offensive to some viewers and or inappropriate for children. Viewers' discretion is advised. Right, so this is the if you all can see this here, the water can start to fall. You can see piece of the head of the tree up there, and look at it there. The water can flowers falling already, and the leaf and the ground looking disturbed. Right, this was a location I had prepped since 2023, and look at it. This I shot two agoutis here. And this is the sit-down tree, the olive tree I'm sitting down right here. You would see my old spike poles. I sitting quite on the arc, quite up there. So guys, let me see how this thing goes. I'm excited. I want to spin back. This is the 2024-2025 hunting season, guys, and it's looking good. So far, this is the second point I check, and it's looking like it's going to be great. It's looking like it's going to be great. Guys, so let me pop this tree stand. So I'm about approximately 14 feet up into the air here. So that is the height, the perfect vantage point height for me for this particular location. Guys, let's go. So before the action start, let me take this time to double check the zero on my rifle. Something I always do before every sit down. This leaf is approximately 25 feet, so based on that range, it will be second mill dot below the crosshair. Alright, we dead on. As you all can see, we dead on. Let's go. So guys, welcome to the 2024 hunting season. We're hitting the ground running. So much things for this 2024-2025 season, guys. Stay tuned. It has a lot of things in stock. Here we go again. Sumatra .177 red light. Today we're looking for a lap. We see how it goes. This is the grounds here. I can't really see much, but we have our water cave flowers falling right down there, and trying to see if we can get that. Check this out, guys. As I start increasing the intensity in the red light, look at him. He put this twig directly between the red light and his eyes. So though they can't see the color red, he's still seen a hue coming through, and he's not sure if it's moonlight or what because it wasn't there before. Look at that. Very smart, eh? Very smart and intelligent. Check him out. Bam, perfect shot. .177 Sumatra. Boom! That was a very beautiful shot. A very beautiful shot. I could always depend on my Sumatra. The guy felt like a ton of bricks. Perfect shot, guys. Woo! Excited. I'm very excited. in the goal of pushing my Sumatra to the max. This is lap number 2, taken during the 2024-2025 hunting season. Guy came in here about 5 to 7. Wonderful, wonderful lap. Headshot, as you can see. Clean headshot. Sumatra, 0.177. Here we go, guys. This is the introduction to this season. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. We dissecting. The bullet went through here in this kill spot here. I want to turn over the lap. I see it have a little blood spot here. So I'm feeling around. I'm feeling like I feel a deep bullet right here. So let's see if we can. So that's the pellet there. The pellet enter from this side right here, come all the way through the skull to the bottom of the jaw here. 0.177 Sumatra. Good business. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Here's another video for you to enjoy.